Hey, what's going on? I'm Giorgio. I'm a welder at BluePrint. I do welding here. I do stainless steel. I do aluminum welding. I decided to be a welder for a couple of reasons. I found out that it was a promising career. And then when I tried it in high school, I realized it was like magic right before my eyes. I've had a passion for it for a long time. I chose to work at BluePrint as a welder for a couple of reasons. I'm a really big fan of custom metal, fabrications. When it comes to that stuff, I like that I get to do my own thing, put my own ideas towards it. I like to use fixtures. Yeah, that's cool. But whenever it comes to me actually have control on how to weld certain things, I'm a big fan of that. Coming to BluePrint, meeting everybody here. I did my research before I came to this company. And then, when I looked online, I really did like what I was seeing. I do like a challenge, and I did see that I was going to have a challenge working here. So I was like, why not? Let me just go ahead and come on. I met I met the president of the company, vice president, all great people, and it just made me feel very comfortable. When I came in for my interview process, it felt welcome as soon as I started. So I was like, why not? I've always wanted a job that I could retire from. I've always wanted to work at a job that felt like I was at home. And surely enough, there's nothing less of that, with me being here at BluePrint. One of the most exciting things about being here at BluePrint was that I am able to weld a lot more aluminum than I've ever been able to weld at any company I've ever been at. When it comes to small, thin gauge metals to aluminum that I would have to heat up before I even start welding it, there's so many different things that I never would imagine that I would have had to weld. And, since I've been here, it's been stuff that amazes me, next project after next project. So I definitely recommend people coming to weld at BluePrint for a couple of reasons. The work environment is great. We are flexible here when it comes to hours, and the work is definitely something to look forward to. I look forward to it every day, every time I come to work. And like I said, it's always a challenge, but it's also an exciting challenge. Like I said, no complaints at all. So.